In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Printify listing on Etsy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, if you're excited to start making money by selling custom products, you're in the right place. Printify is a print-on-demand service that offers a wide range of products. And when you combine it with Etsy, one of the largest marketplaces for handmade and creative items, you have a fantastic opportunity to reach customers interested in unique designs. Alright, let's get into it. First, you'll need to have an Etsy account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to Etsy.com, click on Sign In, and follow the prompts to either sign in or create a new account. Once that's done, you'll want to set up your shop. This involves choosing a shop name, selecting your shop preferences, and setting up your payment methods. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it actually is. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now let's move to Printify. If you don't have a Printify account, head over to Printify.com and sign up for free. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You'll find various product options, such as t-shirts, mugs, bags, and much more. This is where the fun begins. You're going to choose the types of products you want to sell. Now, let's design your first product. Click on the Products tab, and then the Add Product button. This will bring you to a wide array of options. Select a product type that you find interesting. For this example, let's say we're going to create a t-shirt. After you select the t-shirt, you'll be taken to a design page where you can customize it. Here's a pro tip. Before you start designing, think about your target audience. What kind of designs will appeal to them? After you've had a good think, upload your artwork or design directly using the design tools available on Printify. Make sure your design fits well within the product template provided. This is crucial because you want your product to look as good as possible. Once you're happy with the design, you'll need to fill in a few more details. The next step is to name your product, create a thorough and appealing description, and set your pricing. A well-crafted description will attract buyers, so be sure to highlight what makes your product special. After that, set your price. Remember, you have to consider the Printify base price, shipping costs, and your profit margin when deciding how much to charge. Now, at this point, Printify allows you to publish the product directly to Etsy. Yes, it's as simple as that. You'll see an option to connect your Etsy shop. And if you haven't done so yet, now is the time. There will be some prompts asking for permission to sync your Printify account with your Etsy shop. Simply follow those prompts. Once you've connected your accounts, you can choose to publish your new t-shirt listing directly to Etsy. Make sure to double-check everything once again. You really want to make sure that the design, title, description, and price are all correct. After you hit publish, your product will appear on your Etsy shop, ready for customers to find and purchase. After your listing is live, take some time to market your new product. Consider sharing it on your social media, or even running a small ad campaign on Etsy to get initial traction. Remember, the more visibility your listings have, the more likely they are to sell. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Printify listing on Etsy. It's an exciting step towards starting your online business, and I hope you feel inspired to fill your shop with amazing, custom products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your online business. Happy selling, everyone!